we're back again. That's right, the Backstreet Boys are back. Welcome to part 4 on my mini-series of 90s boy band songs that sound great on Campfire Guitar. Hey there buddy, Campfire Guitar Heroes, it's Dene again, and this is where we love to rediscover those forgotten songs we all love to remember. And this week is no different. Now this week I've decided to do something different thanks to a suggestion from one of my fans, Ian. Thank you for this. I am getting out of the studio and getting back to where I belong, which was by a campfire. That's what Campfire Guitar Heroes is all about, so this is where we're doing the lesson today. Most of the songs ever written were about breakups, makeups and hookups, and I've got 3 of the best from the Backstreet Boys this week that cover all 3 of those criteria. Now let's get straight into it. Song number 1, As Long As You Love Me, is probably the easiest song out of the 3 today that I'm going to show you. It's got a pretty simple chord structure, the A minor, C, F, and a G. And as an option, you can throw in an F major 7. That's in the bridge. You don't have to throw that one in there, but it does sound nicer, which I'll show you shortly. Okay, before we start, I'm just going to capo this on number 3, just so it gets a little bit higher for my voice. And the verse starts on an A minor. Let's play it now. Although loneliness has always been a friend of mine, I'm leaving my life in your hands. People say I'm crazy and that I'm blind, risking it all in a glance. And how you got me blind is did. So it's just the 4 chords, right? A minor, loneliness, F, friend of mine, G, leaving my life in your hands, and then it's a quick transition, C to G. People say I'm crazy and that I'm blind, risking it all in a glance, C, G, back to the A minor, minor, F, G, C, G, A minor, and that's the verse. So now we transition straight into the chorus, and it's the same 4 chords again, but listen how I play it. I'm going to do the first half of the chorus by emphasizing the bass strings, and then the second half of the chorus emphasizing the skinny or the high strings, just so to add a bit of variety and a bit of depth to the song. Okay, so let's do it now. I don't care who you are, where you're from, what you did, as long as you love me. As long as you love me. So that's the chorus, F, C, A minor, G. Okay, we're just going to move straight into the bridge. It's the same chords, different sequence. Let's do it now. It starts on the A minor. I tried to hide it so that no one knows. F, guess it shows when you look into my eyes. When you didn't, where you're coming from. I don't care. To the F major 7. As long as you love me, baby. I don't care who you are, where you're from, and into the chorus. Song number 2, I Want It That Way, is probably the band's most recognisable ballad. And that's mainly because of the chorus. The chorus is really catchy and memorable. It's got a great hook in it, that Tell Me Why. So, tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never want to hear you say, I want it that way. So I'm about to show you this right now. Let's get into it. Okay, there's 8 chords in the song, which I'm putting up on the screen there. You don't actually have to know them all if you don't choose to do the key change in the outro, which I'll cover shortly. But they're all pretty straightforward chords apart from the F sharp minor, which is obviously a tricky bar chord for beginners. But the chords are A minor, B, C, D, E, E minor, and then that F sharp minor. So it's a pretty good song if you're trying to expand, get off the blocks as a beginner and transition to being a more advanced beginner. These chord changes, there's a lot of them, but it makes for a great song. So let's start now with the verse. So the song's root chord is the E minor, and I'll just sing the whole verse for you now, demo it. You'll see the chords up there, then we'll break it down. You are my fire, the one desire, believe when you say I want it that way, but we are two worlds apart, can't reach to your heart when you say that I want it that way. Tell me what goes into the chorus. But so those chords there, as you saw on the screen there, E minor, C, G, E minor, C, G. They're pretty straightforward chord progression. And as you can tell, the strumming's quite simple too. The first part of the verse, you can just do it by hitting the chords once. You are my fire, the one desire. And then the second part of the verse is where the strumming, that sort of slap strum beat comes into it, which I'll do now. So that's down, down, strop, down, down, block, down, 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 block, down, 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 block. So let's get into the chorus now. Tell me why, so that's on the C. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. Such a cool chorus. It's a great song. I love the song. And that was the chords to the chorus. On the second chorus, it transitions to the bridge, and there's a subtle change at the end of the chorus where instead of going a E minor D G, E minor D G, it actually just goes to a B, which transitions nicely into the bridge. So I want it that way. Back to the E minor. Now I can see that we're falling apart from the way that it used to be. Yeah, no matter the distance, I want you to know that deep down inside of me. And back to the verse. You are, and you can do some picking on this part. You are my fire, the one desire. You are. And that's where the voices go off like a rocket. You are. I want it that way. Hey folks, don't forget to download the free song sheets for every one of these songs. They're easy to access via my Patreon page, no email required. And while you're there, look, if you like what I do, you can support creators like me for as little as the cost of a coffee per month. You can enroll in one of my tiers and support what I do. But look, any support you guys give me is super, super appreciated. Now let's get back to the lesson. Okay, Show Me the Meaning of Being Lonely. It's one of those classic boy band breakup songs, really tear-jerking type song. But from the Backstreet Boys, it's actually my favourite song of theirs, mainly because I think the vocals are amazing in the original, especially in the chorus where they really pull off the harmonies brilliantly. I won't be able to do that today, but it doesn't matter. At Campfire Guitar Hero, close enough's good enough. Let's get into the song. So like the previous song, it's got 8 chords in it. I'll just go through those now. The root chord of the song is an E minor. It's got a B7. That's actually my favourite chord on the guitar fretboard. I don't know why, it just sounds cool. It's got a C. Got this awkward one, a C sharp 7 up here on the 4th fret. It's got a D, E, E minor, and an F sharp minor. Now the only reason it's got some of those tricky bar chords is because, like the previous song, it does a key change for the final chorus / outro. You don't have to actually do the key change. You could just play it in the root key for the whole song. It's up to you. But so the verse starts on E minor. I'll just play it. You'll see the chords on the screen, and then I'll break it down. So many words for the broken heart. E minor, C, D. So hard to breathe, B7. Walk with me and maybe E minor 9. C, D, do do do. Wild and free, I could feel the sun. Your every wish, B7 will be done. They tell me. Straight into the chorus. So that was the breakdown of the verse. Nothing unusual there, just the strumming is sort of that down strumming slap strum, which I'll do for you now. Nights of lights so soon become. What am I doing? Down, down, block, down, 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 block, down, 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 block, down, 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 block. Nights of lights so soon become. Wild and free, I could feel the sun. Down, down, block, 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 down. They tell me. Chorus. Okay, the chorus, E minor again. I'll just play it for you straight away. You'll see the chords there, and then we'll break it down. E minor. Show me the meaning of being lonely. E minor, C, D, G. Tell me why I can't be there where you are. There's something missing in my heart. Back to the E minor, C, D. Then to the verse 2. Life goes on as it never ends. Eyes of stone, do 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 do. So that's the chorus. And that's where, you know, the vocals really get tested, as you could tell there. But if you can nail them, it comes off really well. It's a great song. So there's the chorus. Now the last part of the song is the bridge. So let's get into it now. So the bridge starts on an F sharp minor. We've got a D in there, an E. We've got an A, and we've got a C sharp. All the chord patterns on the screen there. Let's just play it. There's a lot going on here, vocals, everything. So I'll just play it and let's see how we go. All right, F sharp minor. There's nowhere to run, I have no place to go. Surrender my heart, body and soul. How can it be you're asking me to find things you'll never show? It goes into the last chorus, which is the key change on F sharp minor. Show me the meaning of being lonely. F sharp minor, D, E. And you just bring the song home however way you see fit, but it's pretty much that chorus on the F sharp minor, D, E as an outro until you run out of puff, basically, and just bring the song home. So there you have it. So there's 3 power ballads from the Backstreet Boys, and my question to you is, which is your favourite? You know which is mine? That was that last song. I wish I could sing like them. It doesn't matter. Just give it a crack. And that's what Campfire Guitar is all about. It's about picking up the guitar, finding a great song, and just having fun. So this is the point where I'd normally do a full song playthrough. As you know, I'm getting copyright strikes from YouTube, so I do separate song playthroughs. Look for the links in the description below and maybe in the card above for any of the song playthroughs that I've done here. And that's all this week, folks. Thanks for tuning in. I know you've got a lot of choice on YouTube, so your audience is super appreciated. Remember Campfire Guitar Hero, where all you need is a few chords, a few friends, maybe a few drinks, and everyone's a rock star.